Do you want to be successful? Do you want to get promoted? Do you want to make more money? Do you want to go on more dates? Do you want to have better relationships? Here's the key. Always, 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 always agree with the other person. I hear you. I understand. I get it. I'm with you. I don't like how high the price is either. Agree with them. Now, if they're telling you something that you morally are like, I just can't agree with that, simply let them know one of two things. Either I hear you or I understand. Most of the time, that person that's complaining only wants to be heard and understood. When you start conversations and maintain a state of locked-in agreement, you're going to find it's a lot easier to get your way. Always agree, even if it's just, I hear you or I understand. Follow for more tips on how to be successful in business and life.